Welcome to All Nature Cuisine. Today we are talking about a few examples of the many types of carrots available, each offering its own unique characteristics and culinary possibilities. From traditional orange carrots to colorful heirloom varieties, carrots are a versatile and nutritious vegetable, enjoyed in a wide range of cuisines worldwide. Number 1, we have purple carrots. Purple carrots, also known as purple haze or cosmic carrots, have a deep purple exterior and vibrant orange interior. They contain anthocyanins, antioxidants responsible for their striking color. Purple carrots have a slightly earthy and sweet flavor and can be used in a variety of dishes, adding visual appeal and nutritional benefits. Number 2, yellow carrots. Yellow carrots, also referred to as golden or Yellowstone carrots, have a bright yellow or golden hue. They have a mild, sweet flavor similar to orange carrots, but with a slightly milder taste. Yellow carrots can be enjoyed raw or cooked and add a pop of color to dishes. Number 3, we have baby carrots. Baby carrots are not a distinct variety but rather a smaller version of traditional carrots, often harvested early to achieve a petite size. They can be found in various shapes and colors, including orange, purple, and yellow. Baby carrots are tender, sweet, and often enjoyed raw as snacks or in salads. Number 4, we have nance carrots. Nance carrots are shorter and more cylindrical compared to imperator carrots. They have a smooth texture and a sweet, tender flavor. Nance carrots are often preferred for fresh eating, juicing, or steaming due to their crispness and sweeter taste. Last but not least, we have imperator carrots. These are the most commonly cultivated carrots, known for their long tapered shape. They typically range from 7 to 12 inches in length and have a sweet flavor. Imperator carrots are commonly found in supermarkets and are versatile for various culinary uses such as roasting, grilling, or eating raw. Now subscribe, like, and comment for more similar educational videos. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you next time.